along with some of the getting really excited for future shows. Also, has not gotten that to preview. Again, Top Fuel is coming back to the screen. Of course, for those of you guys that are here and you want to stay tonight, you're welcome to do so. Custom do tomorrow. More than welcome to stay, have some fun, get some extra runs in. You'll get the car ready for the next event. And tomorrow, just execute. Coming up, I believe, at 10 or until 6. They're going to go on the stage, make some hits, leave in the afternoon. You guys are welcome to do so. Of course, the 14 Classic is back here. Friday,
yeah, it really is.
You know, I would want to try to drive back down the road.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you can smell it.
Yeah.
Look at those big old tires. Nice. Look at this truck.
Well, we got it to, you know, much work in that roll. Okay, seeing what I can do. Yeah, there you go. There you go. We covered it.
Yeah. Really chopped. Old Cobra Jet, 68. Ready. Oh, this must be the Ford side. Galaxy 500. Got the old Hemi in here. Big heads.
There you go.
Dual carb, dual 4-barrel carbs. Yeah. It's a monster. Still got drum brakes. All 4-wheel drum brakes.
That's what they call also. That's an over wheelbase. See how far the rear end is forward? They made those back in that era or whatever. I mean, they got a lot of weight transfer.
Huh. Shield. Look at this. Shelby. Oh, look at that road runner over there.
That's a Coronet or a Super Big.
Okay. Yeah. Coronet, he said. Oh, yeah. Nova. Oh, yeah, Chevy.
I'm a Chevy person. Then my husband bought a Ford.
Yeah, I
Because
thought.
you might have to get a Ford. I'm like, I'm not switching to Ford. Sticking with Chevy.
Yeah. And there goes a Camaro. GTO. Camaro, 69. Yeah, they had to re-cut up them headers to make it work.
That's some big tube headers on that little
Heck
thing.
yeah. Gotta keep that engine cool. Oh yeah. I wonder why you cut a hole up in the hose right there.
Where?
See how you got a hole cut up in the top of the hose going from the other side of the car.
It's just a little vent type thing.
Okay. Getting a GT already. Good, how are you?
Stick shifter?
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Yes, sir.
That'll make them rock.
Makes it fun.
Yep.
Smell that raw fuel out here.
It took them a lot of years to come up with them.
Heavy cars.
They're still not strong enough.
Is that right?
Oh, yeah. But they're a lot stronger than what they were. That's
Yeah.
So, some unique disc brakes. Just the one that you gotta use a safety wire on it.
I don't know. Started at 61,000. 289.5 speed. I got pretty. It wasn't real fast,
but it was fun.
but it was real consistent. I can drive it real consistently.
Look at this.
So we got track prep underway here. We'll be going back live here shortly. And all of my nostalgia bracket classes have been called. That's the nostalgia A8 class, the awful. You've been called the 3 and 4. My bad boys, the nostalgia BB class, the 5 and 6. The nostalgia.
Student driver. In the wagon.
There you go. There's a Maverick.
Yep. Ford Maverick.
There you go. I like them little cars. I have them.
Yeah, you still got some. Oh. Huh? Oh, it is?
6-cylinder with a blower on it.
Making serious power.
Yeah.
A Vega. Chevy Vega.